Yo, what's good YouTube? So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and today's going to be the prep work on these Air Jordan 1s orange peels. We're going to turn these into the Black Toe Air Jordan 1s. Let's get to it. The thing to do is to remove the laces in order to complete the prep work. Go ahead and remove the little tag. So all you need for this is cotton balls and acetone. So now that we have everything together, we're going to add some acetone to the cotton balls. So you don't want to add too much pressure, you just want to let the acetone do its work. So you want to make sure that we don't get too much acetone into the Gatorade logo just because we're going to end up keeping it. So you want to make sure you add enough acetone all around the shoe just so that the next paint will stick. So this is what is all done with the prep work. All you end up needing is cotton balls and just regular acetone that you can get from Walmart. Now that this is done, now the next step is prepping the shoes and applying a white coat, but that's not going to be into the next video. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.